9. Manta 5. The Manta 5 considers itself to be cycling's newest frontier. This is the world's first bike that is intended to be used on water. The Manta 5 replicates the experience of riding a bike on land, but perfectly translates that maneuverability to the water. This bike will help you explore the unknown, or even just venture out with your loved ones for a weekend stroll across the nearest lake. The bike aims to be usable by people of all fitness levels, meaning the bike shouldn't be too difficult to ride, even though water and easily drag you down when paddling. A built-in pedal assist can help those who are less physically able and is adjustable on the fly. The top speed of the bike is estimated to be about 12 miles per hour, and its modular design makes it very quick and easy to set up so that you can get to work quickly. These bikes are definitely not for everyone, as they fetch a price of around $9,000. However, they are incredibly cool and are available for purchase right now. 8. Tonal. Tonal is a new product that can help you reimagine the way you work out. For many years, workouts have been largely the same. Go to the gym, do a few reps, run a few miles, and drive home. Though now, you can bring the convenience of a gym into your living room with Tonal. This is an all-in-one piece of equipment that can help build full body strength with the use of a single device. This machine can help you measure your reps, how many sets you have completed, your overall range of motion, the amount of time you've spent under tension, and so much more. The machine is video-based, so you always have a clear explanation of the workout you should be doing. This is considered one of the most efficient ways to work out in modern times, and eliminates the need to expose yourself to the unpredictable atmosphere of a gym, allowing you to look your best and work out easily from the comfort of your own home. 7. Amazefit X. The Amazefit X is a new smartwatch that launched on Indiegogo and received 4,959% of its original goal of just $20,000, meaning this watch has raised nearly $1 million in its short time on the market. This is a reimagined version of a smartwatch that comes with a curved display and offers 24/7 heart tracking technology. The watch features a 2-inch OLED display with a PPG sensor to track your health. It is water resistant and will monitor your sleep patterns if you choose to do so. It offers several sports modes and claims to have a battery life of 7 days. Its body is made out of metal, meaning it is incredibly durable and ready for all of your difficult day-to-day tasks. It even has a blood oxygen meter. This watch is designed to perfectly contour to your wrist and make your watch feel as natural as possible. Its bigger display allows you to view all of your stats instantly without needing to swipe through various screens to find your data. With a price tag of just $159, this watch is difficult to pass up. 6. Mix Pro. The White Shark Mix Pro claims to be the ultimate underwater scooter. You may be wondering what an underwater scooter is, but trust us, it is something you need in your life right now. This device makes scuba diving shockingly easy. You simply hold onto the handles of the device, and it will pull you through the water with ease. It offers a 60-minute battery life and a camera mount so that you can film your underwater adventures. It can charge within just 2 hours and is designed to be used by the whole family, so long as everyone is properly trained in its functionality. It can pull your body up to 1.8 meters per second, which is shockingly fast for such a small device. It has a low battery alert, so you will always know when you need to return to the surface, and it can be charged in just 2 hours when it dies. With a price tag of $399, these scooters are priced to sell and will not last long. 5. 180 Light. 180 is a new type of headlamp that offers 180-degree illumination for all of your home improvement, camping, automotive repair, or outdoor headlamp needs. With the 180, you can say goodbye to limited tunnel vision that is provided by most headlamps and welcome in 180's patent-pending technology that helps you see your full peripheral without hassle. The headlamp is so lightweight that you will likely forget that you are even wearing it, as it weighs just 3.3 ounces. The headlamp is quite comfortable to wear and doesn't have any bulky protruding parts to cause discomfort. It is fully rechargeable with its built-in micro USB recharging port. It can illuminate up to 360 lumens and is available now. You can find this light on Amazon, though it is currently sold out, so pricing is not available. The company plans to get more stock in very soon. 4. Mobile Pixel's Duex Pro. Mobile Pixel's Duex Pro is a portable monitor that is designed to be used with laptops. The screen is about 12.5 inches, making it the size of most laptop screens. This device was designed to give you an increased amount of workspace, or a second virtual desktop. For those of you who may type a lot, edit videos, or do photo editing, a large screen is a must-have. However, a secondary screen can often work just as well. The screen connects to your device through USB-C and can either mirror your desktop image or extend it. It is compatible with Mac and PCs and can be found just for $269. The screen offers incredible color accuracy and is suitable for nearly any laptop with USB-C connectivity. Grab them now before they're gone, because these screens will not last long at this price. 3. Atmo Blue. Atmo Blue is a device that we all need now more than ever. This device aims to provide clean air for everyone, offering a filter rating of around 99.97%, meaning this mask can filter out nearly all harmful pollutants that may surround you. You can breathe fresh and clean air while out in public, mowing the lawn, painting your house, or countless other applications. This mask is designed to be used nearly anywhere and is curable enough to survive through even the most difficult tasks or projects. These masks are available for $149 on Indiegogo and are expected to ship in August of 2020. Considering recent events, it is likely that these masks will sell out quite quickly, so don't delay if you are interested in purchasing one. 2. Beeline. Beeline is a smart compass that is designed to be used with bikes of various shapes and sizes. It's not uncommon for bikers to need to know their speed and direction while they are traveling. Most of us use our phones for navigation, but phones are very difficult to use while on a bike and pose serious risk for motorists and bikers alike. This device aims to replace your phone, as it clips to the handle of your bike and informs you of your traveling direction and your speed automatically. You'll never need to remove your phone from your pocket, as it also offers Bluetooth GPS guidance. The product is waterproof and wireless, suitable for all your biking needs. Grab one now on Amazon for just $139. 1. Blue Quench Qooler. Blue Quench is a company responsible for a variety of cooler products. The Blue Quench Qooler is the latest in their lineup. This cooler can cool your drinks from room temperature in as little as 60 seconds. It is designed to be taken wherever you go. It will fit in perfectly at a beach, a picnic, or a barbecue cookout. You will be the life of the party with this new device that requires no ice and is completely rechargeable. Simply turn the cooler on and wait a few minutes for your ice-cold beverage. These coolers aren't available for sale just yet, but they are expected to be available sometime in 2020.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.